Welcome to Nifty Trade Setups channel. We'll discuss what happened in the market and what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So pretty much we this is what we discussed. Let's start with Nifty. So market we said if it gap down and then breaks 22 to 200, sorry 22,000 by gap down, and whatever the low, if it breaks we can go for 100 points. But market opened almost flat or little gap up, and it took away all our points there. So if you see from here or from here, exactly 100 points it has given. So actual trade is here, the third touch and then reversal. So is exactly 100 points it is given, and market completely reversed. So we can could have had one trade which is like we discussed, that also it broke around early to around 230. So if it breaks this swing high, we said we can go for long. It gave 100 points. So this is about Nifty, and tomorrow what we can expect is if it is a gap up, wait for a dip and then reversal, so the market can give 100 points. There is one first scenario that we can have it. So second scenario is that if there is a flat or gap down, so we need to wait for, if it that condition it has to break again to 2253, so that we can go for long. Otherwise, if on the downside we have to wait for market, the lowest point, what are the support created, it has to, if it breaks that swing we can go for short. So these are the only two scenarios for Nifty. Bank Nifty is pretty simple compared to Nifty. So as expected, it just broke thing, and then it gave a target of 500 points, exactly what we talked about in yesterday video, right? So and then it completely reversed to where it started. So it was a plain trade that we discussed about on the short side, and this was unexpected. So we cannot do anything about it. So what can we expect tomorrow? So the short can happen only. We can consider 446 665. If it breaks this swing low, we can go for short. Otherwise, we are supposed to look for only long scenarios. Probably the gap up might happen near this trend line and give a dip and reversal. Go for long. So we can expect first target as this again high, which are 47 350, right? That is what we can expect. We can book 50% quantity. My market may continue further going for a rally, right? This is about long. Short, definitely, as I said, below this one only short we'll talk about it. We can go for short below this. So Reliance, still remains in the box only. If you look at a day chart, market is in completely sideways. So it is one or two candle down, one a candle up, two candle down, one candle up. So it is, but at the end of the day, if you look at this, whatever the high, if it breaks, we can go for long. I said market gave a break and then gave 20 points, close to 20 points. That is about the trade we have it. So market still to be look bullish. So we have to wait and see market if it is going to break this box and then go up. So if there is a gap up scenario about 2977, wait for a dip and then reversal so that we can go for 20 points again in the top. In case of flat and gap down scenario, whichever the low it is creating, go for after breaking, let it break it so that we can go for short. Otherwise, I'm looking for only buy scenario. So all three script looks to be bullish tomorrow. This is what I could see it. We could know only after the market opens and how it opens, right? So if you we can, this is what I have mentioned it. So a little gap up. This is what flat we expected. Little gap up open, and we did not discuss this scenario, but it took away all our points that we can would have got it if I had a gap down, right? So we have to count from where it really started, and it gave 100 points that scenario also, but we did not discuss this one. But after noon, we gave a breakout of 22 100, which we discussed in our yesterday video, and gave 100 points for that. Tomorrow, long 2250, above that gap up and deep reversal, we can go for long, which is 100 points. Gap down flat, we have to like wait for the first swing break on either side so that we can go for short or long. But long we can go definitely above this 2250 only. So otherwise, the low that is created for that swing. So if it breaks, go for short. So we'll keep it very simple like that. So this is what we have for tomorrow. So hope you kind of enjoyed this video. You can put a like to this video and then subscribe to this channel if you're not done so. Thanks for watching this video.